they're for spa or a hot tub controller.
Oh, spa.
Some are relay drivers.
That's good.
There's a microprocessor for the control.
That's great.
And this is the chip we buy. That's the one I'm talking about, the HCO2. There's a memory chip. There's a
We do have all these too, but this one, I don't know, our price is competitive or not.
I don't know. I get
That's
the
great.
prices in my contract manufacturer pretty much.
But this is the most expensive part for this control, right?
Yeah. Well, transformer is, and relays aren't cheap,
Yeah, it's good.
But yeah, that's what that's what I buy from you. This is provided by my manufacturer. There's surface mount.
Okay, it's good.
Same, surface mount.
This is cool.
Board, there's a relays connection. That's good.
It's really strong power.
Yeah, right. Yeah. 5,000 watts.
Wow.
Some 8,000.
Oh my goodness. So that wants you, the heat will not come up to those the chip, right?
No.
Okay. So do you need some heavy duty one?
No,
It's okay.
everything is good.
But what if this is 5,000 watts? How do the heat? Depreciate.
The pump.
Oh, the pump.
There's water. There's water going through. All circulation. Yeah.
And then it's automatically controlled.
Yeah. There's the sensors sensing the temperature of the water, sensing everything.
Wonderful.